All right, so I have cut up all the chitlins and hog maw. Um, this about how I like them. Go ahead and zoom in so you can see about those sizes. All right, so now we are at a point where we still have a little broth. Let me move you a little bit. Okay, we still have a little broth. Okay, and now we're going to add, this is at the time where we're going to add some water, okay? So the stove was on low while I cut that up into the size pieces I want. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some water because it has to cook for at least another hour and a half. Okay. All right, so I still have my flavor. As you can see, the flavor is still there. My garlic has not dissolved completely. So now it's going to go back on medium for another hour and a half. And I am going to check it about halfway through at an hour. And then once we get to that hour and a half total, we should be completely done and our chitlins should be completely tender. The basil is still there. So everything is there. And this is a good time if you want to, you could go ahead and taste your broth and see if you need to add anything. But it's exactly where I want it to be. So at this point, we're just gonna go ahead and cook it for another hour and a half. So I'll see you at the finish line.